This is a box break of Marvel Masterpieces 92 Platinum trading cards released in 2024 by Upper Deck. It's probably their last, or second or third to last, depending on how much they put out. We're going to do a quick experiment as well, weighing the boxes, because this I got off eBay, and there's always a risk that this seller bought a case, picked out the good ones, and then potentially by weight, and then sold the duds. So we'll see what happens. This is a 196 or 196.5. It's not a super accurate scale, but better than nothing. For reference, we'll later measure the packs in the boxes. This is a box from a previous one I opened. That's 19.5. And I did 3, so here is the second one for reference. Also 19.5. So the total box was 196.5. Alright, so to open, we'll cut through here. There's a seal there as well, but we'll cut through that. This plastic wrapping doesn't really add. It looks like it adds about 1.5 grams. So then this box is now 195. Yep. Okay. Let's see. The inside's same. Phoenix. Now, front. I'm actually going to take them all out, but keep them in order and then weigh them. So here, let's see the box. Wish this serial number. 19.5, so fairly consistent. Let's get this box out of the way. The packs. 174.5. And there are 12. 12 packs. So let's see. Basically, one pack. This one says 14.5, but with a 174.5 divided by 12, every pack should be about 14.5. So this is an average pack. Okay. So let's do a fun one where I'm going to keep them in order, but weigh them. 13.0. 13.0. 13.0. 14.5. 13.0. And this was 14.5. So there's let's do that in order. Actually, I should do it in order. 14.5, 13.0, now it's 14.5, 13.0. So just writing down 13.0 and 13.0. So in the front of the box, this was the weight of the packs. And then in the back of the box, the bottom was 13.0. 14.5, 14.0, or 14.0, 13.0. This one's heavy. 24.0. and 13.0. Yeah, so this is interesting. This is the weight of the packs in the order. So this guy is probably the big hit. Plastic, plexi, metal, who knows? Let's go for it. So it's second. Go like this. Second from the left. I'll move these over here just to triple verify. 24.0. So let's open up this and see what we got. Unfortunately, I don't have. Oh, actually, I think I do have a budget for one more, so we might be able to compare this. All right, so first card from the top is Gambit. Second card, yes. It's a white, I have no idea, a Metallurgy card. But it looks, it's got some weird damage there, but it's a metal card, so it's heavy, and it's Juggernaut. Quite cool. I think the odds of a Metallurgy card here are 1 in 220. So that's actually quite considered a hit. So I'll put that on the left here. And then there's always a base card, a non-chromium hit, a chromium hit, two base cards, non-chromium hit, and a chromium hit. But now it looks like, because I had that one card, it's a chromium hit. It's a Rainbow Sabertooth. So this is a good pack, but now you can see it's pretty easy to figure out what's good. Now, let's go with the first card on top, 13.0. So this one should have nothing special, I think. You might have seen something, but I'll start from the top. All right, first card on the top. Mojo. Okay, and I actually took out two cards, so this looks like a regular. Second card, I think it's canvas, leather, Luke Cage. Goes in this pile here. So next one should be a regular chromium. Oh no, okay, Blue Tracks Cable. Not numbered. I think that's considered a hit. And then the regular one, Strong Guy. One of my favorites. Okay, so in a 13-gram, sorry, this is all in grams, by the way, got one hit. I guess you can consider that a hit, Blue Tracks. The Blue Tracks are, and it's not a variant, are 1 in 12. As opposed to Rainbow, which is 1 in 6. Pink Lasers are number cards. So maybe this is not a big hit, but it's a regular one. Next, let's go to 14.5. So this, I'm going to wager here that it's something like a plastic clear cut card. All right, first card. Thanos. This is a regular. Second card. Oh, Captain America rainbow cover. Actually, quite like these. Put that in that pile. So that would be the chromium hit. And the second should be a plastic lizard. This is the third one I've gotten now. Put that in this pile. And then it should be a regular card. Bullseye. So 14.5 plastic clear cut card. Let's go with this kind of Outlier 14.0, which is not this one, but this guy. So it's lighter than the ones with the plastic. Unless it was just standard variance or inaccuracy of the scale. Namorita. Also have several of these. Pink lasers out of 692, so 58 out of 692, Deathlock, but a variant cover pink laser. So that I think is considered the numbered card is a hit. Oh, and a lenticular. That I think is a hit. So that's a bullseye. Lenticulars are 1 out of 12. And then regular card. Dang. Ah, yes. Been missing them. Okay, so strange enough, the 4.0 had 2, I guess you can consider that 2 hits. Lenticular and a pink, or whatever, pink laser. Let's take that 13.0. See, I think what I have been looking for, the back, but I will hold caution. Captain Britain, regular card, base card. Hulk, oh, there's a dent on that one. This I know what it is. Then also holofoil, Dormammu. But this one was got a little dent in there. So this I think is considered a hit, but it's damaged. So that's gonna suck. And then the last base card, which I hope, nope, it's not. Yet another lizard. I thought I saw this Spidey here, and I thought it was Spidey. So a holofoil, which is, the odds are 1 in 12. And since there's 24, I should get 2. But that was a 13.0. All right, let's go to the 14.5. So this one, I'm going to wager is a clear cut. I saw something in there too. Regular card, but one I've been missing. Okay, first card is Hawkeye. Second card. Black Panther first covers. I forgot what they're called. Yes, clear cut Black Panther. And the one I think I may need, there we go, yes, Black Cat. Just a regular. So 14.5 so far, you're looking at clear cuts. Last one, let's go to 13.0 on the back of the box. I think I saw that one already. Let's go with Doctor Strange. Doctor Strange. Corner box. Down this pile. Apocalypse Canvas. Yep. These don't seem to be that popular. And then I think last base card, Havoc. Yep. Okay, so we got 5 packs left. 13, a 14.5, and 3 13s. 4 13.0s and 1 14.5. Let's just go see what that is. This is the 14.5. Let's just make sure I'm not off. Yep, 14.5. And we're done with this anyway. Queen, base card. Yep. Really badly offset Shadowcat. This is the third one I've gotten now. Just look at the how off it is. And then I think one Tombstone. This looks like Rainbow. Yeah, I think it is Rainbow. And then last regular card, Storm. Okay. Yeah, so the 14.5 gram cards are plastic. If it's not 14.5, it seems like you get a chance of a foil. And if it's heavier than that, you got a plexi or something else. I don't know what you prefer, what people prefer. Galactus. Oh, wow. Great Wolverine variant cover, Rainbow. It's a little off-centered, or not more than a little, but I have been looking for a Wolverine, so I consider this a plus for me. A leader canvas, and the last regular Mephisto. I think the third one I have this. All right, so let's see. More holo foils. More rainbows. Maybe hopefully another holo foil. I see card number 1 is going to start there. The Blob, which I don't have in this set, so it's good. Regular base card. Let's go backwards. Colossus Canvas. Nightcrawler regular, Nightcrawler variant. Okay, and then does this mean this is a... So 1, 2... Did I? Looks at 3 regular cards and 1 canvas. So this is not a case. Oh, I guess the variant is considered a chase or whatever, a hit. Well, that's disappointing. Okay, last 2 packs, both 13s. I guess maybe they're just going to be as bad as that last one, where the variant cover is considered one of the Chromium chases. 1 number card, 1 Metallica card, I think is considered a hit. A Wolverine, because people like it. I could pull 2 cards out of there, but the first one's Rogue, which I think is a base. Second one is a Magneto Leather. I think that's a non-Chromium chase. And the last 2 cards, I see a... Okay, oh great. I needed a Green Goblin, so Green Goblin, blue guy, blue tracks. And then another Sabretooth, regular. So it looks like... Alright, last one. Not going to get anyone numbered. Probably going to get another blue tracks or another variant cover. Let's start with the bottom. Another Tombstone. Shadowcat Rainbow. That's our Chromium chase. Canvas, maybe? Yep. Canvas Phoenix. And the last base card, Sandman. Oh, I just got this. Okay, so there you have it. The stack of base and the stack of chases. I think the bigger hit is the metal Juggernaut Metallurgy card, and the pink foil Deathlock, or pink lasers Deathlock, the numbered out of 692. Probably can be happy with the Wolverine variant and Rainbow, so even though it's horribly off-centered. Thank you.